I got myself a little basil plant and it's really cute. It's just the size of my hand. I've been using this cute little water jug I got from Notting Hill to water my basil plant. I'm notorious for killing plants, so hopefully I don't kill this one. I ordered some new plates that I really liked online, and they actually came from Australia, and the shipping took forever. I think it took at least 3 to 4 weeks or so. So I made the order about a month ago, and they finally arrived, and I'm so happy with them. So I wanted to show them to you. So they're from a brand called Roundhouse, and it actually just came like this in a box, so I'm very surprised that nothing broke, which is amazing. But here, let me show you. Look, it's a little dinner plate. It's pretty flat, like that, and it says Mercy. So cute. And then another one. I got this one. Same style, but instead of Mercy, it says Bon Appetit. So cute. I'm very happy with the purchase, and I'm very glad that they came finally, and they came in one piece. I've been trying to eat and cook healthier and came across ghee butter, which is clarified butter. So even if you're dairy-free, technically you can have ghee butter because it gets rid of the lactose in it. So today, I will be making a delicious lemon chicken dish using ghee butter. Here, I'm using about a tablespoon of ghee butter. Adding chopped onions and some salt and pepper. I'm adding my chicken thighs and chicken breast. A good squeeze of your lemon. And top it off with some lemon slices. Adding some carrots as well. I'm gonna use my little basil plant for the first time for my lemon butter chicken today. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Looking good. I have some rainbow chard here, so I'll add these now. Are you excited for barbecue?
It is. I had no issues with it, Darwin.
These are the vitamin D gummies that we've been taking. And these are the multivitamins. These are the probiotics that we've been taking, and they actually taste really good. Heard using coconut oil when cooking is good, so I got myself a jar of coconut oil to use as well. I've been trying to limit my caffeine intake, so I got this chicory instant drink, which is supposed to be not caffeinated at all, but tastes similar to coffee. And it's not exactly coffee, but it does taste very similar to drip coffee. Trying out organic edamame spaghetti. I've tried it and it actually tastes pretty good. We got our April snack box from Ryan's work. And this month it's chocolate from Cadbury. We love Cadbury chocolates, so super excited. So in here, Ryan already opened this, but we have some cream eggs. We've only tried the mini versions and they're really good. But this is the normal version, so it's a bit bigger. Ryan already had one and it was really good apparently. And then we already opened this one up too. But Jelly Babies. Actually, we're not a big fan of this. It was our first time trying, but it was sweet, but the texture was like an interesting gummy texture. I think we prefer Haribos when we eat gummies. So this one, not a big recommendation. Classic dairy milk chocolate bar. It's huge and really heavy. Here, these look really good. Never tried it, but excited to try. Caramel flavor. This one's so cute. It's white buttons. It has the penguin picture on it. These are orange giant buttons. Ryan doesn't really like mixing fruit and chocolate flavors, so he'll probably not eat this, but it looks interesting. These look pretty good. Haven't tried these either, but they look like it would be kind of crunchy inside. And I'm most excited about this because it's so cute. It's Peter Rabbit version. It's called Eggs and Spoon, and I think it's chocolate eggshell, and inside it has some Oreo cream. And when we opened it, it comes in a little egg carton like this. It looks like that. It comes with a spoon too. Let's try these eggs first. That's super cool. You just destroyed it. How is it?
Chocolate's good. I busted that open.
Pretty good?
That's right.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 2 spoons here. Oh, they're really dirty now. I have cream all over.
It's okay. We'll just eat it with our own spoons.
It's good.
Super sweet.
I messed this up.
You just destroyed it. Smashed it. Oh, they look very different than...
These look like clumped together chocolate covered gummy bears.
Let me see.
Here, go from this angle.
They do look like chocolate covered gummy bears. Verdict?
And the chocolate.
Do they have anything inside?
Nope. Pretty good though. Airy.
Ryan prepping the chocolate bar for consumption. Look at that. Are you proud of yourself? Is this a proud moment?
It's perfectly broken.
It's perfect, huh?
It's beautiful.
Pretty good. Pretty creamy. Classic chocolate.
Mmm.